Hello everyone, welcome to Root to Mathematics. In today's video, we're going to solve this interesting problem. So here we have given x cube plus x divided by x equals to 2, and we are asked to find the value of the x that satisfy the given equation. Okay, so as you can see that here we have x cube, that is highest degree of x is 3. That means we are going to get 3 different solutions of this given equation. So without any delay, let's just start solving. Okay, so we have given x cube plus x divided by x equals to 2. Okay, this implies this. In the next step, I am going to do cross multiplication. That is x in the denominator will go to the numerator of the right hand side. So here I can write x cube plus x equals to 2x. Now in the next step, I am going to take this 2x to the left hand side. So here we can write x cube plus x minus 2x equals to 0. Okay, here we have x and here we have minus 2x. So in the next step, I can write x cube minus x equals to 0. Now from this 2 term, I can take x common. So x multiplied with x square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now here I am going to apply an algebraic formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b multiplied with a minus b. Okay, let's just consider this x as a and 1 as b. So in the next step, I can write x multiplied with x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 1 equals to 0. Now here we can equate each term with 0. Okay, so from here we can write x equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, and x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so x equals to 0 is one of the solution. Now here I'll take this plus 1 to the right hand side. So here we are getting x equals to minus 1 is our second solution, and similarly I'll take this minus 1 to the right hand side. So here we are getting x equals to 1 is our third solution. Okay, so we got 3 solution of x, but here we are asked to find the value of x that satisfy the given equation. Okay, so our given equation is x cube plus x divided by x equals to 2. So here we have x equals to 0. So if I put the 0 in the denominator, the total value will get undefined. So x equals to 0 is not satisfying the equation. Now for x equals to minus 1, in order to check, I'll put this minus 1 in place of x. So minus 1 cube plus minus 1 divided by minus 1. Let's just check this value is equals to 2 or not. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. As 3 is an odd number, so the negative sign will stay. And here we have minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 2 divided by minus 1. So minus will get absorbed. So here we are getting 2. So which is our right hand side of the equation. So x equals to minus 1 is satisfying the equation. Now let's just check for x equals to 1. So 1 cube plus 1 divided by 1 is equals to 2 divided by 1, which is equals to 2. So x equals to 1 is also satisfying the given equation. So these two value of x is satisfying the given equation. I hope you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.